Understanding the phrase, "Get some cheek," an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and somewhat colloquial phrase, "Get some cheek." This phrase might sound peculiar at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in everyday conversation. Get some cheek is an idiomatic expression in English. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of individual words. In this section, we'll look at what each word in the phrase typically means and how they come together to form a unique expression. The phrase, "get some cheek," generally means to behave in a way that is slightly rude or lacking in respect, but in a humorous or endearing manner. It's often used in situations where someone is playfully teasing or challenging authority in a light-hearted way. We'll explore some examples to see how it's used in context. Let's look at some real-life scenarios to understand how and when to use "get some cheek." You'll see how it's often used in informal, friendly settings. Example 1. When I told my nephew to tidy his room, he got some cheek and asked if I'd pay him to do it. Example 2. At the meeting, Sarah got some cheek and joked about the boss's notoriously bad coffee. English is rich with idiomatic expressions. In this section, we'll discuss similar phrases and variations like cheeky, have the cheek, or get cheeky. Understanding these variations will help you better grasp the nuances of conversational English. And that's a wrap on "Get Some Cheek." Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, context, and expression. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you feel more confident using this phrase. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.